driving in this morning. Woohoo, welcome north. I hope it doesn't continue for a long time because I'm having a hard time keeping my windshield clear. But I'm just staying in the line. I figure even if I'm going 40, at least I'm moving forward. So we'll see how bad it gets up ahead. If it gets too bad, I'll just have to stop for the day and wait for it to clear up. But you know, we're doing mostly mountain driving from here on in. So once we get past Salt Lake City. So yeah, welcome to my world this morning. Not pleasant, but it's all part of the great adventure. There's a crazy guy.